Hi everyone and welcome to IPD YouTube channel. My name is Alex and today we are working with this Ferrari Portofino. We have to cover this car with the PPF using pre-cut template, and at the same time we're gonna do some protection and the restoration treatments for the interior, for engine bay area and for trunk. Before I start any work, we do the full car inspection with capturing on the pictures all corners and the small details. That will help us to not miss any single even minor imperfection. And let me in live mode show you what I found on this car. So first of all, it's a front bumper. As you can see, it has some damages over here on the paint and there. At the same time, it has damages on the front lower lip and here, the highest one is here. Then the next part, it's trunk lid, and you can see the dent over here. I'll try to capture it. You can see just in the middle of frame. Also, there is a factory piece of PPF. As it's convertible, it has protection over this part, because all the time when roof is closed, this area is touching with the rubber. And as you can see, the factory PPF is already got faded. It's not shiny anymore. And same time, it has some yellow marks. So we discussed with customer and we decided we will get this replaced. First of all, we'll cover the whole section from here to there with the PPF, and then we'll add additional piece. Then the next, it's front door, the driver's side door. It has minor dents over here. So it's a normal thing in Dubai on parking. The people are opening the doors and they hit neighbors' cars. The next thing, it's over here, the carbon piece near the rear bumper. As you can see, it has some polishing marks, or it has some repainting signs. On the right side, overall, it seems good. The next imperfection we found on the interior, especially it's a driver's seat. So it has been repainted, looks like. As you can see, there is a old color and new color. You can see the clear border between this. It's not a problem for us. After cleaning, we will see how it will be. Maybe we'll have to get it repainted again. The washing stage is completed, and right now we're ready to proceed for deep interior cleaning. I want to say a couple of words about this procedure. So first of all, we put car on a charge, because as soon as door is open and some lights is on, multimedia might be on some cars, and it can quickly drain the battery. So to avoid it, we put car on the charger. And same time we do the deep interior cleaning with a special light, brushes, chemicals, and steam, vacuum extractor and air to provide the best finishing and best result on all gaps and all minor surfaces. Day number 2, and right now we're ready to proceed for the next step. Behind my back there is a PPF area, the place where we're actually fixing PPF. It's a closed area to avoid any dust under the PPF. And by our standards, we're washing the whole area before we proceed for every single car. In parallel, we're cutting material with the cutting machine. Here you can see our software, and our libraries is contain almost all the cars which you can see on the market. And of course, it contains this 2019 Ferrari Portofino. Before we proceed for the PPF application, we have to do only last thing. It's dent removal, and then we will proceed for PPF installation. Now car is in the paint shop. As you can see, we're going to fix the lower side lip. It got some filler to make straight, then it will be painted. And the painting of this side is already completed. We don't paint the whole bumper, we paint just the partial, this front side. And right now it's on drying, clear coat is applied, and then soon it will proceed for the sanding, polishing and finishing. The same thing, the guys has to paint this lower side section with the black matte paint to provide original look. Soon it will be delivered back to our workshop. Day number 6, and finally we came to the day when we are releasing car. Right now we do some final and minor touches, and we're making sure that everything is done in correct way. PPF is sitting properly, and let me one more time review what we've done for this car. So first of all, we did full decontamination and washing the whole exterior, deep cleaning of rims and wheel arches, deep cleaning of engine. We did the deep cleaning of interior. We applied transparent glossy PPF on the whole exterior of this car. We repainted a part of front bumper, of course, because we did painting of front bumper. We did restoration and painting lower lip. At the same time, we've done restoration for the driver's seat. It has some imperfection, as you remember. We removed the dents from the car. We did special plastic treatment for exterior textured plastic, and we used the silicone to apply on all rubbers, in door gaps, in roof openings parts. And right now car is completely and ready for release. In the next videos you'll see how it is the final result, and you'll see the customer reaction. I hope you'll like the final result. If you have any inquiries for PPF or detailing for your car and you want to get it done in the right way, please message us in the comments or contact us in a direct message on Instagram or by this phone number. And see you in next videos.